Hello everyone. Now in this part we will learn how to organize files and folders. Then we will learn how to search files, and then we will learn how to change grid view and list view, and how to rename file and folder, and lastly we will learn how to star marking the file or folders. So for this purpose I have chosen my own personal drive which I am using from 2005, and earlier earlier drive which I have shown you that was created for a newly created for the purpose of showing you that how it looks when a drive is newly created. Now you can see that in earlier drive there are four documents, four files, and here two folders and two files you can see. And here you in storage you can see that it is written 3.6 MB of 15 GB used. So I am not going to use this drive, I am going to use my own personal drive. So for this you can see here there is my folder, and you can see there is written Google account vipindrive82@gmail.com. So this is my own personal ID. Here you can see that how much data I have consumed. Out of 15 GB till the date I have used 7.2 GB. That is a good amount of data. Now in my drive you can see that here it is written my drive, and below my drive there is quick access label. In quick below the quick access label you can see there is written untitled spreadsheet. Then it is written you opened in this past week. Now it is in next file you see Google Sheet demo, and it is written you opened in the past week. And again then in here you can see that there is written you opened yesterday, and here it is written BVOC teachers information you opened it today. It means these all are different kind of files. These files have been recently used either today or day before today or few days back. So recent files which have been used, it is shown in quick access part. Now you can see that here it is a green symbol with plus sign. It's showing that it is a Google Sheet or spreadsheet. So by seeing this you can understand that which kind of file it is. So this plus with green, this so that is a spreadsheet or Google Sheet. Now here you can see that it is written PDF in red color. It means this file is of kind PDF. This is PDF file. Here you can see that it is written W. When you see the W, it means it is a doc file. Fine. So after this quick access, when you come down, we can see that it is written ABC, and before this ABC there is a symbol like briefcase. And below this ABC you again see that it is written classroom, and there is again a symbol like a briefcase. So you can see there till W3C website, from ABC to W3C website you can see that there are briefcase like symbol. It means that this symbol shows that this ABC, this classroom, this computer programming, this Java course instruction, this NSIC, these all are folders. And the folders, we know that in a particular folder or in a folder we can store different kind of files or similar kind of files. So actually folders are used to arrange our files. Okay. One example of that how we can arrange our files and folders. we will go to this PDF files. Now, when I take the mouse here, PDF file, you can see that there is written Google Drive folder PDF file. It means this PDF file is the name of the folder which is kept on Google Drive. So now we will double click this PDF files folder. When you will double click, you see that there are 5 files, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. All files are of PDF file. You can see here, this is written PDF and red rectangle, PDF here, PDF here, here and here. It means all the files are PDF files. So I had created a folder PDF files and kept my all PDF files under this folder. So like this, you can also create folder for keeping all spreadsheet files into one folder. You can name that spreadsheet folder, and you can keep your spreadsheet folder there. You can again create your any folder. You can name it anyone. It is upon you that you can name it. You can give it any name, and that under that folder you can keep doc file, you can keep music file, you can keep video file, any type of file. You can arrange the files and folders like this. So we have seen that these were quick access files. These are the folders. The briefcase type of symbol shows that these all are folders. Suppose that I click this classroom file. You can see in this folder again there are various folders, and within these folders, when we will click, there are again various folders and various documents. So like this, you can organize your file and folder. Suppose this is showing that in my drive I created a folder classroom, and within that classroom folder I created BTech CSC 4th semester. So by seeing this folder, I can understand that the files or folders is related to BTech Computer Science and Engineering fourth semester student. So like this, we can arrange folders and files. Now coming back to our home page of Drive, you can see below this W3C website, there is written 123.jpg, and then again it is written account details 1.doc. It means till the W3C website, everything was folder, and this folder was arranged in ascending order. Means first A, B, C, first letter is A, then again letter is C, then after C there is J. So folder name is arranged in ascending order. If you want to arrange it in descending order, you can click this arrow button. When you will click this arrow button, you can see that this all files and folders is arranged in descending order. W comes last, and then comes U, and then comes P. Okay. So again, we will do it in ascending order. Okay. Here, this 123.jpg and account details 1.doc, this is showing that this is not folder. These are particular file. 123.jpg is a picture file, image file. This W, you can understand that this is a doc file. Here it is also written .doc. It means it is a Google Doc file. Here again it is written .jpg file, and this symbol you can see, it means these files are image kind of file or picture files. Again you can see here, this is plus green sign, it means this is Google spreadsheet or Excel sheet file. Again you can see like this W, it is doc file, Word file. Then again you see this two big line and one small line. This so that this is Google Doc file. So Google Doc file may be in this W format, or this can be also in this format. So everything here is all the files. So we have a lot of files. Now suppose that I have to find a particular file. When we have huge amount of file, then finding a particular file is very much difficult. Then how to get it? Suppose that I want to access this picture 592.apg. To access this, if we come from top to down, we can get it very difficult to find. So how to get it, how to search it very quickly? There is a option search in Drive. We will click this search in Drive and we will write the name. What the name was? Picture 592.jpg, and here click enter. You can see I wrote picture 592.jpg. If I know exact name of the file, we can find it very easily within fraction of second. You can see there are a lot of files and folders in my Drive, but I am able to see only the desired file. So using this way, we can easily we can search our particular file or folders. Suppose that I want to search all the sheet file. So how to find it? You can see there are options. If you want to see only photos and images, you will click photos and images and click search. Now you see only one file folder. Okay, first remove it, and then suppose that we want to see all the PDF files. So click PDF. You can see here there are a lot of files, but every file is PDF file, not any other file. Before this, we saw that there were mix up of PDF file, folders, doc file, spreadsheet file, but here you can see that all PDF files are there. Same as we can again find that document spreadsheet files. Click here, click search, and you can see that every file is spreadsheet file. Fine. Now come back to our original Drive home page, and now suppose that I want to delete this ABC folder. You can see this is ABC folder. I want to delete this folder. So for deleting this folder, I will just click once. Now it is highlighted, ABC is highlighted. Then I will right click. You can see here it is written remove folder. I will click remove, and you see this folder is removed. Now I want to restore it. Again we click restore ABC, right click and restore. It has been restored in our previous place. You see ABC is again appeared. Now I want to rename this folder. So for renaming the folder, again first I will click, and then I will right click, and here you can see that there is written rename. Click this rename option. It is written ABC. Now I want to rename it and XYZ. XYZ. Okay. Now it has been renamed. ABC renamed to XYZ, and the name is XYZ. The folder name is in ascending order, so it has come down. Here you see that ABC is renamed to XYZ. Okay. Now you can see that the file is being shown in this way, and this is called a list way. Now I want to see this list into a grid way. Grid means like this. So to see in grid way, we will come here, and you can see it is written grid view. We will click here, and after clicking here, you can see that you can see the file in grid view. Here you can see everything, every folder is come into grid form, and then pictures and all documents have come into grid format. Okay. Okay. Now suppose that I have multiple files and folders, but I want to give a particular color to this particular folder, computer programming one folder. I want to give a particular color. So I will first click this folder, and then again right click. You can see there is option change color. You can click this change color, and you can choose any color. Cardinal I choose. You see here color is changed. Again we can change the color here. Java course, you see here, change color. See here, Java course color is changed. Now suppose that I want to make a star mark. I want to make a particular file as an important file. So to show that this file is important, I can mark that file or folder as a star mark. So for star marking, we come here below the drive, new, and this option my drive, start with me, sorry, shared with me, recent, and start. We will click start. First we will click PDF files, and right click, and then add to start. Here you can see that one folder added to start. It means this PDF file is important file. Now I want to see that which one is start file. To see that, I will come here, my drive, shared with me, recent, and start. I will click start, and you see PDF file. This has come into start, and then Ramanuj College and WSC PPT, PPTX. These all are start file, means I have made that these are important files for me. Okay, so that's all for this session. Thank you very much.